So for number 2, we have 15% of what number is 6. So again, 15% of what number is 6? Letter A, 24, B, 30, C, 36, D, 40. So again, usually pagka percentage problem, ang ginagawa natin diyan, we will translate the problem into equations. O tignan niyo po kung paano mag-translate ha. So 15% bring down. Again, sa mathematics po, the word or the term of that is multiplication. 15% of that is 15% times. Parang ganun po yung dating niya. What number? So this is the unknown. So let's say letter N. Okay, so again, the term is sa math that is equivalent to equals. Okay? And then bring down 6. So ngayon, ito na yung ating working equation. Na-translate na natin yung problem into mathematical equation. We have 15% times n equals 6. So ang next move natin, we will rewrite 15% into decimal. So that is 0.15 times n equals 6. Nag-move lang po tayo ng decimal places dalawang beses from 15, no? 15, 1, 2, kaya naging 0.15. Nakuha po ba? Then after that, solve for n. So paano mo isa-solve yung n dyan? So ang gagawin natin, we will divide both sides of the equation by 0.15. So ang mangyayari, maka-cancel na to. Okay? So ngayon, we have 6 divided by 15. Okay? So paano ba tayo nagdi-divide ng decimal? So again, we have 6 divided by 0.15. So para hindi kayo mahirapan, tanggalin natin yung decimal dito sa fractions. Usually, ginagawa kong whole number yan para mas dumali. Okay? Tignan nyo kung paano. I-move ko yung decimal places dito twice going to the right, sa kanan, yung 0.15 magiging 15. Okay? Ngayon, kung nag-move ka sa baba ng decimal places, dapat ganun din sa taas. Parehas. So, yung 6, mag-add tayo ng decimal dito, 1, 2. So, mag-add ka ng 0. So, yung numerator natin, instead of 6, magiging 600. Okay? And then ngayon, pwede mo nang i-divide yan. 600 divided by 15. Medyo madali na siya. 'Di ba? Okay, try na natin. 60 divided by 15, that is 4. 4 times 15, 60. So, ima-minus mo lang yan. 60 minus 60, 0. So, bring down 0. 0 divided by 15, that is 0. So, 0. Okay? So, 600 divided by 15, ang sagot natin is 40. So, letter D, yung tamang sagot. Okay, letter D po. Ayan.